Okay guys, so I'm gonna be starting with the Wolf Face Art and FX colors in the Essentials one. And I'm gonna be starting with this black one here. It is a water base, so you're gonna need some water, which I have in this cup, and some face art brushes. So I'm gonna start with this thin one here. So I'm gonna be starting by just drawing some random shapes on the face little by little. And just make sure you start dipping your brush in the water and then to the paint pot and back into the water once you feel like your color is not as bright. As you can see right here, it's more black, so I am gonna go over that first shape. Okay guys, so you do have to consider that when you are doing some type of makeup look, especially Halloween look, it is going to take some time, so just be patient. Fix everything as you go. If if you don't like something, you could always change it after.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand, call.
Okay guys, so I did notice that I have bigger gaps in some places and others, so I decided to go and fill it in with some smaller shapes. You guys could always change everything. You guys could add, as you go. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna be grabbing this palette from Bibella Cosmetics and I'm gonna be grabbing those browns and creating some shading around the shapes.
I'm a killer, you know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand, call
Now I'm going to be grabbing this highlighter from Wet n Wild and Precious Petals, and I'm going to be applying it in between the shading and the shapes just to help with the illusion. I'm gonna be grabbing this black eyeshadow and I'm gonna be creating that smoky eye look. As you guys could see right here, I'm already practically done with the eyes. I'm just applying a thick eyeliner. I lost the clip where I was building the eyeshadow, so sorry about that, guys.
Devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang.
Okay, so to darken the eyebrows, I'm going to be using this LA Girl eyebrow pencil in the color black.
I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand, call
So I'm using that same highlighter that I used in between the shades, and I'm now applying it under my brow bone. So now I'm smoking the bottom of my eyes, and at this moment I didn't realize my battery had died. So just apply some eyelashes, some dramatic ones, and your eye contacts.